Hello my dear students, in this video we will revise lesson 1, Rise and Spread of Christianity. Already we have completed this lesson and I hope that all of you know all the question answers of lesson 1 that we have prepared for unit test. So here now I am again going to explain this lesson for you. In this lesson we learnt many things, especially we learned about Christianity. Christianity arose in Judea. Christianity arose in Judea. It was founded by Jesus of Nazareth. Who is the founder of Christianity? Jesus. And what is the holy book of Christians? Bible. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. In include Old Testament, which record the origin of the Jews, and the New Testament, which record the deeds and teachings of Jews. These are the two parts of Bible, Old Testament and the New Testament. Old Testament consists the origin of the Jews, and the New Testament, it consists the records, the deeds and teachings of Jesus. Son of Mary and Joseph, Jesus was born at Bethlehem. Jesus was born at Bethlehem in Judea, and we will celebrate his birthday as Christmas. What is that? We celebrate this day, the birth of Jesus Christ, we celebrate as Christmas. And Jesus preached of God's mercy and love and assured all people of salvation. What was his main teaching? God's mercy and love. This was the main preaching of Jesus Christ. Okay, and he preached humility, kindness, forgiveness, mercy, these are the things, and he discouraged greed and hypocrisy and the worship of multiple gods. According to Christianity, or according to Christian, there should be only one God. He discouraged worship of multiple gods. According to Christianity, there is only one God. And Jesus large following made the upper classes and some of the Jews jealous. On those days many people followed Jesus Christ, and so that the upper caste people, they were jealous of Jesus, and they accused Jesus Christ of being a rebel and had later him crucified. This event is remembered as Good Friday. On the day when he crucified, on that particular day, we remembered as Good Friday. And Jesus' resurrection on the third day after his death, we will celebrate as Easter. The crucifixion day, we will celebrate as Good Friday. And the third day after the death, or Jesus' resurrection on the third day after his death, is celebrated as Easter. Okay, and Jesus' teaching spread through his follower Paul and become the basis of new religion called Christianity. Jesus' teaching spread all over the world, and his followers called, or that particular religion is called Christianity. And Roman Empire, some Roman empires like Marcus and Diocletian, they were unjust toward the Christians. But the Emperor Constantine I, he converted to Christianity. By the end of the 14th century, Christianity became the official religion of Rome. Some Roman empires, they were unjust towards Christians, but the Emperor Constantine I, he converted to Christianity, and Christianity became the official religion of Rome. After the fall of the Western Roman Empire, the Christian Church emerged as the only institution which preserved moral values and promoted learning. After the fall of Roman Empire, the Christian Church emerged as the only institution which preserved more values and promoted learning. A church was headed by a bishop. Who was the head of a church? Bishop. And the Bishop of Rome came to be called the Pope. The Bishop of Rome, what we will call him? We will call him Pope. He exercised great religious and political authority. And the monks devoted their lives to spread Christianity. Many people, they devoted their lives to spread Christianity. They gave up worldly life and lives in monasteries. They preserved ancient knowledge and cared for the sick and the poor. The monasteries also promoted education. The monks, they spread Christianity, and the monasteries is promoted education. The church came to play the central role in the society. It laid down a rigid codes of social and moral behavior. However, the monasteries acquired property. Many monks become corrupt. But what happened later? The church came to play the central role in the society, and later monasteries acquired property. Then many monks become corrupt. Okay, hope that all of you understood up to here. In this lesson, we discussed about Christianity. It arose in Judea, and we learned about Bible, Old Testament and New Testament. Okay, and what was the teaching of Christ? Mercy and love, humility, kindness, forgiveness. These are the main teachings of Jesus Christ. Okay, all of you please read 2-3 times this lesson again. Okay, and if you have any doubt about any portion, you can ask through the comments. Thank you.